all the stuff that we use on our day-to-day basis. Any extra products, overflow. See, we got a lot of hands-on right now, hands-on in the warehouse. And stay tuned, man. We gotta do a little better before it gets ready.
Sometimes when you fail, you gotta try again. What's the first step?
First step, man, we trying to take all this stuff off these walls so we can have places to put these shelves. So, as you see, we doing pretty good. We just trying to shift everything to this side. We almost got this corner done. It takes some elbow grease, but we getting it done. Definitely getting it done.
Until we built this pyramid, no food. What? What do you mean what? Alright, boom. We're gonna start with these. Come on.
Right. You gotta put these up.
Yeah, we gotta put 2 of them up first.
It says, well, it shows really. I thought it was going by the book.
Nah, man. We're going unorthodox. Due to legal requirements, we need a 6 off the floor, not 1. But they saying it's 1 on the other shelf, so we trying to
Get on one accord.
yeah.
At the same page. Get on
Oh,
one accord.
pretty hot in here.
Now this juice feel good.
Oh, it's hot in here. Yeah,
Going.
We're gonna put it in the back corner. Back corner, and then we're gonna start from the back, build our way up.
You know what we're doing here today? Building these shelves, right, Kelvin?
Yes, sir. Number 3, man. I'd like to see you more exhausted, more weary, but
Lex, how you feeling? Feeling much better now, you know. It's been a rough week, but life goes on. We got this. And it's hot.
What we said?
Yeah, hell yeah. One way slave.
Oh, Lex. Snitching on your cousin. Goddamn.
Damn. I work at the stripping business. He's working.
Wow. So, yo, you rob a bank, he getting away. Oh, yeah, hey, police, he getting away over there. Wow. He go to jail.
Look, we bring the same check. It's different. Robbing the bank is wrong, TC. I'm not a thief.
You snitching on your man.
So, I would never do that.
Fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644.
This is number 4?
We already up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day one. Try speak up, can't say none. Try big bird, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up.
No.
We on the tables now, so we finished the show. Like I said, we ain't put no wood on them because we got a power wash, but now we building these tables. I guess for this warehouse, we get busy all day. So, within the last week, last time you seen us, we were just building the skeletons on these shelves. We didn't really have any finished product as far as what we were going to put. We didn't have any organization where we were going to put things. Now, with the help of Miss Fifi, big shout out to Miss Fifi for helping and organizing everything and where she wants everything put at. This is the end result. After the skeleton, we put the wood on there. Wood makes sure everything's secure. Now, over here, we have all our things we need for our everyday endeavors, such as packaging, tape, soap dishes, large, packaging paper we put inside the packages when we're packaging. So that's what we have all right here: sample envelopes, crinkle paper, everything. You see the CMOS up there. Everything we have right here is just for our day-to-day endeavors. You see, come over here. We're gonna try to use this shelf for products after, I guess, we get AC here, I think, because we don't want any of the products to melt. So far we just have dry goods like that. Like you see the sea moss right here. You know, you don't have to worry about that getting too hot or anything, especially since it's summertime, so it's been extra hot. So we have everything finally organized, some space in here. Come over here, we have the boxes for our packaging. As you can see, lots of boxes. We definitely needed this shelf. There was no way we were gonna put all of this stuff in the warehouse that we've been at. And yeah, just more supplies and stuff. Like you see, bottles we use for the hair mints, 8-ounce bottles. Just the day-to-day things, like from behind the scenes before you get your products at home.